If your hood doesn't close, the likely culprit to this problem would be this extension of your bar, this extension right here. There's a bolt at the very bottom that holds this in place, and if this is wiggly, your hood will not close, and it would appear to be a problem with the latch, but it's not the latch. It is this bar right here, or this extension here. At the very bottom there's a bolt, and I'm going to show you that bolt now. Just one moment. Let me get situated here. Right there, right here, if you can see that bolt up there, right there. So find a bolt and put it in there, and your problem is solved. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.